What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of King Customs. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ryan, so pleasure to have you guys joining. But if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell notification at its side so you can stay up to date with all my latest videos. As well as hit the like button on this video so it can boost my channel to the YouTube algorithm and you can help your boy out. But anyway, we got a viewer's question here. So his name is Artisan Concrete. Hope I said that right. I'll leave a link in the description and up here somewhere to this video. It was me installing the running boards on the Avalanche, and he's currently installing the same running boards on his, and he needs some help. So, okay, seriously, I'm installing the same boards and mounts, laugh out loud, and I'm having a damn problem getting off the center body bolt on both sides. I get the bolt to break loose, but they just spin. The front and rear on I guess he means each side, came off no problem. So if you have any suggestions, I can surely use them. Okay, so first things first, I've done that video a long time ago. I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember if there's a spot where you can hold on top with a vice grips or something, like a nut or something, and pull down. I don't remember. It is supposed to just drop down for you, so there might be a little issue there, and I hope to God, I hope that it's not a rust spot that just broke off and it's just spinning in there. I hope that's not the case, because that will suck. So what you can do is, I don't even know if this is a possibility, but because I never ran into this issue. So I'm gonna try to see what we could possibly do. Just lift up the carpet, see if there's a spot where that body bolt is coming out, and see if you can see what's going on. And if not, man, I don't know what else to tell you. Damn, this is a tough one. We're gonna need help from the guys on YouTube. Guys, if you can throw some ideas down here, because literally, I don't know, I've never came across this. And you said it's on both sides. I don't remember if mine had a issue with that. I don't remember. I think mine just came down. What you can do is, I don't want to tell you to heat it, because if you heat it, you can mess up your body mounts, and then you got to get some new ones. Are you spinning it with just a hand ratchet, or are you spinning it with an air gun? Try an air gun if you have one. Try an electric gun if you have one. See if it comes out. Do what I said, lift up the mat, see what happens there, and let's just go from there, man. Honestly, I don't know. I hope any of the guys who are watching can help. That would be great. So if you guys can comment underneath and help Artisan out, it would be awesome. I don't know if any of you guys ran into this issue, but I surely have not. Artisan, just try to see what I told you, see if that works, and if it doesn't, hit me back up, and let's see if we can help you, man. Sorry that I'm not really that much of a help on this one. It bothers me because I do want to be a help, but just let me know what's going on, and keep me posted, keep everyone posted. And like I said, everyone, you have free range to comment on this video and help him out. So let's get the Avalanche Club up and help them out, man. So with that being said, peace out for this short video. Artisan, again, I'm sorry, man. I wish you the best. Just let me know what goes on. I'll try to do some research and see what I can find. But yeah, with that being said, peace out, enjoy your day, and hopefully you get that done. Peace.